It's just the title for the third content box that we have left here. So let's go and take care of this. I went and renamed layer 1, by the way. I renamed that to our Flickr user's name, Lobo235. You don't have to do that, but I'm just doing it for consistency here. Make sure that this layer is selected, though, because when we go and paste in the Illustrator object, the smart object from Illustrator, he's going to get inserted above the current layer. That's why I've been having you select these layers, by the way, all the way along. I don't think I mentioned that, but in any regard, make sure that that guy's selected. Let's flip back over to Illustrator. This is where we left off inside Illustrator with the tickets and rates. And of course, we already have this set up as a graphic style, if you'll recall from earlier on. So this is going to be super easy. The last piece of text here, if I just scroll down a little bit, is our location. And if I select this guy and single click on my graphic style, you and I are ready to roll. Isn't that nice? Super easy, super fast. So go ahead and grab this text now with the new appearance applied to it, the new graphic style applied to it, and copy them, Control-Command-C, of course. And then we will flip back over to Photoshop. The Lobo235 layer is selected, so when I paste as a smart object, this object will appear above the previously selected layer, like so. Okay? All right, now I'm sure you're fine on your own finishing this off here. Of course, I'm going to be scaling down this text, holding down Shift so I don't distort anything. Positioning this text here, of course, inside the third content box. And I mentioned this earlier when we were setting up the tickets and rates text. It's more just kind of a, fiddling around with it until you have things sitting exactly the way you want. Something like that. Maybe I'll nudge them up just a little bit. Hit enter on the keyboard, something like that, I think looks pretty good. I might do a little bit of fine-tuning, but I think that's got us close enough there anyway. So there you go. There's the 3 content boxes set up for us. Nice and easy.